Now the next problem is problems based on divergence theorem. So if d bar is equal to x square y z square ax bar plus x square y z ay bar plus x y square z square plus az bar coulomb per meter cube, then calculate total charge within cube defined by range of x, y and z is given here. Now here we have to follow two steps. The first step is using divergence theorem we have to calculate rho v, that is density, and second step is calculate the total charge by using equation q is equal to integration of v rho v dv. So first step is calculation of rho v. So we have d bar is equal to x square y z square ax bar plus x square y z ay bar plus x y square z square plus a z bar coulomb per meter cube. This is equation number 1 which is given. Now using divergence theorem, rho v is equal to what? Delta dot d bar. This is equation number 2. Now we have the equation rho v is equal to delta dot d bar, divergence theorem. So the equation of d bar is given in Cartesian coordinate system. So we will use the equation of divergence in Cartesian. So equation of divergence in Cartesian is given by dx by dx plus dy by, this is equation number 3. Now the general expression of d bar in Cartesian coordinate, general expression of d bar in Cartesian coordinate system is given by d bar is equal to dx ax bar plus dy ay bar plus dz az bar. So this is equation number 4. So here we compare equation 1 and 4 and we get compare equation 1 and 4. So we get dx is equal to what? X square yz square, dy is x square yz and dz is xy square z square. Now here d dx by x is 2xyz square, d dy by dy is x square z and d dz by dy is 2xy, 2zxy square. So we put these values, in equation 3. By comparing we get the values of dx by dy, dx, dy by dy and dz by dz. So we substitute all these values in equation number 3 and we get rho v is equal to 2xy z square plus x square z plus 2zxy square. Now next, step 2, total charge in volume. Total charge in volume is q is equal to integration v rho v dv. So here dv is equal to dx dy dz. So differential volume of this is differential volume of cube. So equation becomes q is equal to integration goes from value of x is 0 to x is equal to 1, y is 0 to 1 and 0 to z is equal to 1. Now equation is 2xy z square plus x square z into dx dy dz. Now here we separately take the integration and solve it. So it becomes 2x square by 2, value goes from 0 to 1, y square by 2, 0 to 1 and z cube by 3, 0 to 1 plus x cube by 3, 0 to 1, y 0 to 1 and z square by 2, 0 to 1 plus x square by 2, 0 to 1, y cube by 3, 0 to 1 and 2z square by 2, 0 to 1. So we substitute these integration values in this equation and we get, it is q is equal to, it is 1 into plus 1 by 3 into 1 into half plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into 1. So therefore q is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. So it is 3 by 6.5 coulomb. Now next problem. In cylindrical coordinate system, d bar is given as 20 r cube by 3 AR bar coulomb per meter cube in region, it is r 3 meter and d bar is 725 by 5 r AR bar coulomb per meter cube in region r greater than 3 meter. So find charge density in both regions. Now we consider case first here. So what is case first case? For range 0 to 3 meter, the divergence theorem in the cylindrical system is, we write here the divergence theorem in cylindrical system is given by delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r. This is standard equation, d by dr, r dr plus 1 by r dt phi by d phi plus d dz by dz. This is equation number 1. Now what is given equation? Here we write down the given equation of d bar. So given equation of d bar is, what is d bar? D bar is 20r cube by 3 ar bar. Therefore d bar is equal to 20r cube by 3a. Now the equation do not contain a phi bar term and az bar term. So equation 1 becomes delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r d by dr of r dr. As this term does not contain any d phi or dz term, we take only this part of the equation. So we replace value, it is d by dr of r into dr is 20r cube by 3. So it becomes 1 by r d by dr of 20r raised to 4 by 3. So it is 1 by r into 20 is constant outside the integration, and it is 4r cube by 3. So it is 80 by 3 r square. That is, therefore delta dot d bar is 26.67 r square. Now we have charge density right here. Now we have charge density. So it is given by rho v, which is equal to delta dot d bar. So it is 8.89 r square, which is 26.67 r square. Sorry, write down here directly. Now case 2, second case is for the range r greater than 3. So here d bar is given. So d bar is equal to 725 by 5 r ar bar coulomb per meter cube. Now using divergence theorem in the cylindrical coordinate system, we have, using divergence in cylindrical coordinate, we have delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r d by dr of r dr equal to 1 by r d by dr of, replace this value here. So r into 725 by 5 r. Therefore delta dot d bar is equal to 1 by r d by dr of, value of r is r get cancelled, so 725 by 5 is 145. Now 145 is constant, so it is 0. So 0 into 0. So delta dot d bar, this value is 0. Now, but we have charge density. We have charge density rho v, which is equal to delta dot d bar. So it is 0. So in this way, charge density rho v can be calculated.